In 1951, Solomon Asch published a pivotal study titled Effects of Group Pressure Upon the Modification and Distortion of Judgment, shedding light on how social influence shapes individual behavior and perception. The experiment focused on conformity, investigating whether people would adjust their judgments to align with a group, even when they knew the group's answers were incorrect. Asch designed a straightforward task. Participants were shown a reference line and asked to match it to one of 3 comparison lines of different lengths. The twist was that participants were placed in a group with Confederate actors posing as participants who deliberately gave wrong answers. When tested alone, participants selected the correct line with 99% accuracy, demonstrating the task's simplicity. However, in the group setting, the results were striking. About 75% of participants conformed to the incorrect majority opinion at least once, and on average, 1/3 of their responses followed the group's wrong choice. Asch explored why this happened, finding that conformity peaked when the group consisted of 3 to 4 Confederates. Interestingly, the presence of even one ally who agreed with the participants significantly reduced conformity, suggesting that social support can bolster independent judgment. Asch's findings revealed the power of social pressure to distort individual perception, especially when people feel uncertain or fear standing out. Participants often doubted their own senses or prioritized social acceptance over accuracy. The study highlighted how group dynamics can influence even clear-cut decisions, showing that conformity is driven by both the desire to fit in and the assumption that the majority might be right. This seminal work laid the groundwork for understanding social influence in psychology and sociology. It demonstrated that group pressure can lead to the modification and distortion of judgment, with implications for how individuals navigate social environments. Asch's experiment remains a cornerstone in social psychology, offering insights into why people conform in settings ranging from workplaces to classrooms. Its relevance endures, as it underscores the tension between individuality and group expectations, prompting further research into the mechanisms of social influence and the conditions under which people resist or yield to collective pressure.